So this video is more like an impromptu video. So do not worry, just chill, grab your coffee, settle in your couch, let's talk. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I really missed saying this. I've been meaning to make this video from a very long time. So every time I sit down to make this video, now there is one or the other thing which just comes up my way and I have to attend to that. So yeah, I kept postponing, but today finally we are here. So let's make most out of today. Yeah, there are a lot of fun things happening, so I want to share everything. So stay tuned. Firstly, I wanted to wish you a very happy new year, guys. Have a blast 2021. So 2020, let's make it like whatever happened in 2020, let's just forget and let's make best out of whatever we get in 2021. That's the only resolution I'm having as of now. Yeah, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. So this video is more like an impromptu video. So do not worry, just chill, grab your coffee, settle in your couch, let's talk. So basically this video is categorized into three main categories. So category number one, I'll be talking about new inclusions that I have made this new year. Like new inclusions as in new habits and new things in my life. And that has completely changed my life to a very great extent, so I cannot wait to share with you. And secondly, I'll be talking about life updates. I know that sounds little over the board, but no, I'll be giving you a little life updates here and there because it's been so long, guys. So let's talk now. Third one is announcement. So when I say announcement, it can also include giveaway, so stay tuned till the end. So firstly, I really want to congratulate all Indian Skin Tone family because we reached 506 subscribers as of now. We have reached 500. That's like a milestone reached, at least for me. Thank you so much for all your love and support that I'm getting, and it means a lot, guys. Thank you so much. If you think my skin is glowing and looking really fresh, that is all because of the parlor auntie, Radha auntie. I'm gonna give her phone number here. If you're staying in Vijaypura, especially in JC extension, so you should go get a cleanup done for yourself, and she does a great job. So I'm gonna link her contact number in the description box so you can go check it out. And also she's planning to start a boutique. If you wanna get your designer blouse stitch, then you should also contact her. So yeah, okay, now let's start the actual video. So firstly, let's talk about the new inclusions that I've made into my life. Number one, I started waking up at 5 a.m. every day. Okay, that's a lot, right? So I usually am a morning person. I wake up early around say 7ish, 6:30ish. I never thought I can pull this up, but yes, I'm finally doing it. So I've been waking up at 5 a.m. for a puja. So there is this ritual called Dhanurmasa, which happens in December, like before Sankranti. So I started doing that. That's why I wake up so early. But after that also, like next week it's gonna end. So it's a puja which is done for 30 days. So till Amavasya, that is next 14th. So till that day I'll be doing that. So I have to wake up at 5 a.m. for that. So I have made this practice and that feels so good, guys. I used to wake up and do all my stuff and fastly start off with office work. But since I'm waking up at 5 a.m. these days, I'm getting a lot of time for myself. Like a lot of time to rekindle all the habits that I have given up because of no time, and a lot of time for me to, look into myself and do all the arrangements for myself and try something new. I started cooking, like I started trying new breakfast ideas, and all these new habits have made my life feel so fresh. Like I've given that new perspective towards life, and it feels amazing. I think you should all also give that kind of extra time for yourself, because somewhere we have missed it. Like because of all the busy schedules that we have, we tend to miss giving time for ourselves, which is must, I think. So you should also try this. Not exactly at 5 a.m. you should wake up, but try waking up little earlier than the usual time. Definitely it's gonna make a lot of difference in your life. The second inclusion that I have made in my life is journaling. So I've been watching a lot of productivity videos, and everybody had this mention of journaling every day and having a diary for yourself. So I googled this diary word. Like, I always get confused between dairy and diary. So I was like, okay, what is diary and what is dairy? So for your convenience, how to remember this word, if you have the same confusion, then I have come up with this new tactic to remember this word. So basically, diary, that starts with D-I-A-R, that spelling is D-I-A-R-Y. So you can remember like this: Dia started writing her diary every day. So it's diary. And the other dairy is dairy milk. So you can remember that way. Like, this is just a small information. So yeah, I started writing diary every day. May not be every day. Sometimes I do miss writing it, but at least something wherein I'm journalizing what is happening in my life. Because every time you look back and see, okay, all these things, there's some sort of learning that's happening within you without your knowledge. So yes, I really found it very helpful for me. Sometimes I get this really crazy business idea and I write it somewhere, and I usually miss that page or the book that I have written in. But this diary has sort of helped me in journalizing all my ideas at one place. Like, I sit down and pen down everything so that in future, if I have to start a business, for me it's business, for you it may be anything for that matter. So if I have to start my business in future, then I can look back and see what all ideas I have got already, and I can start rethinking about it. So it's like food for thought. So you can also start doing that. I have included a lot of fun sections. Like, I have included here highlights of 2020, then what am I grateful for. Like, being grateful for something that you already have just gives you a new perspective for life and also makes you more contented in life. So yeah, and lessons learned, must section to have. And I also have included vision board. Yeah, the first thing is CA Anusha. You all know I am pursuing my articleship. So yeah, this year I have my exam as well. So the first goal that I have for this year is to clear my CA in first attempt, the final exam that is coming up in November. So wish me luck. So yeah, in that way I have written all these things. So there are a lot of diaries available online. You can also buy them and like start journalizing. I wanted something which is custom made for myself. Like, I have a lot of things that I have to include, and there are a lot of diaries in which there are a few aspects which I wouldn't use. So that's why I just picked up this book. I just picked up this random book and I made diary for my own self. So you can also do that. You can just pick up a notebook and prepare a diary for yourself and include all the sections that you actually think is important. So yeah, that's the second inclusion. So that's one of the most fun inclusions, I can say. It has definitely made a difference. You should also try. The third inclusion is one of my favorite inclusions. So I'm a beauty blogger at the end of the day, so what do you expect? So this is the one I have included. This is a night serum from Dot & Key. It's a very tiny cute bottle, and I started applying this night serum every day before I go to bed, and this has definitely made a lot of changes on my skin. It has made my skin more moisturized. It makes my skin look more supple and smooth. This is a 50 ml bottle, MRP'd for 595 rupees, but on Nykaa you get not on Nykaa, Amazon you get it for 505, so you can order this. So sometimes you don't really have that time to take care of your skin, but when there is a serum which can take care of your skin even without you putting a lot of effort to make your skin look nice, then why not give it a try. So this is my second bottle. See, this is the one which is empty and this is the second bottle. Yes, I'm quite in love with this product. So yeah, this is the third inclusion. The fourth inclusion includes 4 different subsections, series of habits that I want to inculcate in myself